Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more real estate and investment insights. All the links mentioned in this review, including those to HomeLight and related resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. HomeLight isn't your typical real estate investment app. Rather than offering direct investment opportunities, it functions as a comprehensive platform designed to streamline the complexities of buying, selling, or investing in properties. This is achieved by connecting users with high-performing real estate agents, providing tools to simplify transactions, and offering financial services specifically tailored for real estate dealings. While it doesn't offer direct investment options like crowdfunding, its features are invaluable for real estate investors. A key strength of HomeLight lies in its data-driven agent matching service. Sophisticated algorithms analyze user needs and preferences to connect them with local real estate professionals who possess deep market knowledge and a proven track record in the user's specific area of interest. For investors, this translates to access to agents who understand market dynamics and can identify properties with high growth or strong rental income potential. HomeLight also offers a streamlined simple sale tool, a significant advantage for investors looking to quickly liquidate assets or bypass the complexities of traditional sales processes. This feature connects sellers directly with cash buyers, eliminating the need for listings, staging, and the often lengthy wait for a traditional buyer. Furthermore, HomeLight provides users with access to real-time market data and analysis. By partnering with expert agents, the platform empowers investors to identify properties aligned with their investment strategies, whether their focus is long-term rentals, fix and flips, or emerging markets. Adding to its suite of tools, HomeLight offers innovative financial services, including the HomeLight Trade-in and HomeLight Cash Offer programs. These empower buyers and investors to leverage their existing equity to make competitive cash offers, providing a distinct advantage in competitive markets. It's important to understand that HomeLight primarily serves as a facilitator, connecting users with agents and other service providers. It doesn't offer direct investment opportunities or crowdfunding options. However, its strength lies in simplifying and optimizing real estate transactions. In summary, HomeLight is a valuable resource for real estate investors seeking to buy, sell, or optimize their portfolios. Leveraging data-driven agent matching, streamlined transactions, and specialized financial services, it prioritizes speed, efficiency, and expert guidance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just beginning your real estate journey, HomeLight offers essential tools and resources. Check out the links in the description to explore HomeLight and discover how it can enhance your real estate strategy. This review aims to provide clarity on whether HomeLight aligns with your real estate investment goals.